The Dangers of Hypertension and 8 Effective Hypertension Remedies. Control high blood pressure. One of the most dangerous attributes of high blood pressure is which you probably don't even understand that you have it. There are commonly no symptoms related to high blood pressure, yet approximately. One of the most dangerous attributes of high blood stress is which you likely don't even recognize which you have it. There are typically no symptoms related to high blood pressure, but approximately 1 in 4 people have it. The precise purpose of hypertension is unclear, but a spread of situations, along with little or no workout, weight problems, negative food plan, older age, and genetics all play a position. Extraordinarily excessive blood stress can be accompanied via vision issues, chest ache, intense headaches, issue respiratory, and fatigue or confusion. Monitoring your blood stress is crucial. Untreated high blood pressure can lead to extreme disease, along with stroke, heart sickness, kidney failure and eye troubles. The best manner to find out is by way of regular checkups with your physician. It is especially vital if a person for your own family has battled excessive blood pressure, as genetics play a large position. Checking and tracking your blood pressure at domestic is a crucial part of handling hypertension. A WristTech Reveal, which is a digital wristband, is one option for in-home testing. A cuff and a stethoscope, like the one that is used in medical doctors' workplaces, is some other option. Taking ordinary measurements of your blood strain will assist you tune your treatments, and help you have got higher control. Domestic monitoring also can assist reduce down on the wide variety of visits that may be necessary for your health practitioner. The measurements to your blood stress are in millimeters of mercury, mmHg, and it measure the pressure of the blood towards the artery partitions as your heart beats, systolic stress, over the blood stress between your heartbeats, diastolic strain. The ordinary blood pressure is considered to be 120/80, 120, systolic, over 80, diastolic. High blood strain is 140/90, or higher. Remedy of excessive blood pressure might also encompass medication, together with many way of life modifications. Probably the simplest, yet best ways to decrease your blood strain is to consume a healthful weight reduction plan, complete of culmination and greens, whole grains, legumes and coffee fat or fat unfastened dairy. Research has discovered garlic to be very effective in helping to reduce excessive blood pressure. Quitting smoking and everyday alcohol consumption can even help lower your blood strain. Everyday exercising, which include on foot, strolling, or cycling, has been discovered to assist lower blood stress. Meditation and rest and stress control have also been tested to be very beneficial. Whilst you are confused, your brain releases a hurry of adrenaline and different pressure hormones into your frame. This and go back is an indication to your coronary heart to pump more and your arteries to constrict. Greater blood in smaller vessels method an increase in blood strain. To some extent, we can manage our body features with our brain, and we can calm ourselves by focusing on enjoyable. Research has additionally recommended that owning a pet can help decrease your blood strain, decrease your tension, and boost your immunity. Take a look at together with your medical doctor before you begin an exercise application, and ask the subsequent questions. V. How regularly do I need to exercising? V. How long do I want to exercising for every day? V. What type of sports could be maximum useful? V. Are there any sporting events or activities that I need to avoid? There are many methods to obviously warfare high blood pressure. However, in cases of extremely excessive blood stress, operating along with your health practitioner and the numerous medications which can be available, find article, may be lifestyle saving. 8 Effective Hypertension Remedies. Control high blood pressure. High blood pressure isn't properly for our fitness. It ought to be treated or controlled right away. Realize the powerful natural remedies for excessive blood pressure. Oxygenated blood is pumped by using the coronary heart into the blood vessels known as arteries. Whilst touring blood pushes towards the partitions of the arteries and a pressure is generated, that is referred to as blood pressure. Excessive blood stress is also referred to as high blood pressure, and its miles categorized into number 1 hypertension in addition to secondary hypertension. In primary high blood pressure there's no specific motive, but in secondary high blood pressure there may be some precise reason, like growing old, alcohol abuse, overweight, genetic grounds, emotional stress, caffeine consumption, sodium or salt sensitivity, kidney disease, narrowing of arteries, adrenal gland disorder, and additionally medicines like contraceptive pills, food plan drugs, steroids and many others. A number of the important signs and symptoms of excessive blood stress are nostril bleeding, dizziness, headache, fatigue, shortness of breath, sleepiness, blurred imaginative and prescient, impaired memory, restlessness and flushed face. The problem of high blood pressure or high blood strain may be dealt with the aid of various methods, but it is excellent to treat this problem obviously. A number of the essential remedies to manipulate hypertension obviously. 1. By lowering strain, you may lower the hassle of high blood pressure. Respiration sports, extracurricular sports, taking note of tune, practicing yoga and all different activities like these can reduce stress and brings happiness in a single's life. 2. Individual laid low with the problem of hypertension or high blood stress must do sports often. It's far vital to work out every day for as a minimum 30 minutes. You may favor to do jogging, brisk walks and exercises. 3. You must encompass fresh culmination and vegetables for your eating regimen. Lessen the consumption of meat for your weight loss program. Strictly keep away from the consumption of meals rich in saturated fat and LDL cholesterol. Sufferers of high blood pressure are counseled to take potassium-wealthy food like bananas, watermelons, oranges, spinach, potato and so forth. 4. Smoking should be completely prevented. We are able to say that the problem of high blood stress worsens with smoking. 5. In case of high blood pressure, weight must be decreased. Commonly overweight humans suffer from the problem of high blood strain. You have to manage weight problems by slicing down day-by-day intake of calorie, avoid consuming candies and also fatty junk food. 6. Our BP is raised by means of the consumption of caffeine, so its consumption have to be checked. You need to keep away from the intake of coffee, tea, health articles, sodas and so forth, and the drink or food rich in caffeine need to be taken in slight amount. 7. You may reduce your BP by way of reducing the quantity of salt to your eating regimen. You ought to choose meals products with low sodium content material. 8. You can cope with your heart naturally via supplementing yourself with herbal, strays X, drugs. This herbal supplement acts as a coronary heart tonic and enables in keeping healthy BP. With the use of stem cell, you can completely cure hypertension in the comfort of your home. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.